From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good evening, I'm student meteorologist Jonathan Domow here with your CNET forecast. Let's first take a look here at a time lapse over Beaver Stadium here starting in the early morning hours here. We can see those clouds have been lingering through the early and late morning, but as of mid-afternoon here, they have started to clear out, giving way to some beautiful blue sky. Let's take a look at some weather headlines here. Experiencing a warm spell here in Pennsylvania right now here with warmer temperatures here to start your week. We'll take a look at when, where, and how long those will last, as well as the chance for rain. But as we'll see in a minute, maybe not a bad thing. And yes, you read that right, snow. Snow is in the forecast. We'll take a look at when, where, and how much. First, as always, take a look at those temperatures here. We can see those temperatures going down and coming back up here for Tuesday. Pretty mild day, much warmer than we experienced last week, but still pretty mild here, still pretty fall-like here for much of the Commonwealth here, not exceeding 60 in any corner of the Commonwealth right now. And as we move into Wednesday, we'll dip back down. Not as far, though, so we'll come back up even more, and we might even see 60 degrees here in Pittsburgh as well as Philadelphia. All right, now, as I mentioned, that rain could be a good thing, could be a bad thing, depending on who you ask here. Here's the drought data from last week here as of November 14th here. Still pretty bad in most parts of the Commonwealth here. Definitely much worse here in the southeastern as well as southwestern corners here. Not as bad here in Center County and State College, but as we expect on Thursday with that new drought data to come out, we will see how much of an impact this upcoming rain will have. All right, now let's take a look at that rain here. We can see those clouds start to build up early Tuesday, and starting to come around the mid-afternoon hours on Tuesday, we can see that rain here starting to move out late evening Tuesday. Those clouds will remain, and we'll take a look further out in a moment of where that rain is. But first, let's see what we're working with here. We can see that red lower pressure here moving in and stretching as far north as Boston, as far south as Nashville, and as far west here as Minneapolis, so we're not alone here in Pennsylvania with the conditions that we're experiencing, but this is good. This is what's bringing in all those clouds, all that moisture, and all that chance for precipitation, and that low pressure is going to linger here through the end of the week and into the weekend here. All right, now let's take a further step back here to take a look at a map of the precipitation of the entire eastern seaboard here. We can see that more rain is expected on Wednesday, around Wednesday evening around 9 here, so you can expect that, so make sure you're out there and you're prepared. And then we can see that shifting into mixed showers here. Should give us a break around noontime on Thursday, but here's where our biggest chance for snow is here. If you look carefully, you might have saw the blue here covering State College, so definitely a chance for rain, most definitely mixed showers, so make sure you keep that in mind that although it might not be snowing or raining, the chance for it to switch to either one is there. Even moving into the weekend here, we can see that most of that snow potential is going to move up north here, leaving us with just clouds and rain. All right, here, we're going to take a look at how much here. So through almost to midnight on Wednesday here, nearly 0.3 of an inch here in State College, but as we move into Thursday and through Friday to Saturday here, we can expect almost 3/4 of an inch of snow and rain mixed together, but this is the estimates here. Looking around the Commonwealth, that's pretty light here. We can see as much as 1.5 inches here in Scranton here, and even closer to us in Williamsport, nearly 1.25 inches here in Williamsport. All right, taking a look at tonight, 35 degrees, partly cloudy with no wind, and your forecast for tomorrow, 56 degrees, partly sunny. Some might even say calm before the storm, before we get all of that rain. And here's a look at the 7-day forecast, 56 with some potential for some PM rain on Tuesday, as well as AM and PM rain on Wednesday. Mixed showers on Thursday, 43 degrees, 42 degrees with rain showers on Friday, rain continuing into Saturday. Chances for that with 35 degrees is your temperature, and just overcast on Sunday, 44 degrees, and you can start to see those clouds peeking out on Monday, 48 degrees is your temperature. From the Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist Jonathan Domow. Have a great rest of your day.